Hi folks, this is Ashwin Batish from the Batish Institute. This is my quick 1-minute lesson on the sitar. So, when you're playing, remember to put the finger right behind the fret. Okay? If you put it over here and press it, it deflects the note. You don't want to do that. Put it in the back right behind it, and you get really clear tone. Okay? So when you're pulling, don't pull with the middle. Like in the guitar, people put it in the middle right here. And it works fine because the guitar frets are really thin. In this case, put it right behind. That's how you get clear tone. Okay? I hope you enjoyed that. Just remember, tune back in.